Little Lizard's New Shoes by Melinda Melton Crow. Illustrated by Andy Rowland. This is Dad Lizard. This is Mom Lizard. This is Gary Lizard. Oh no, said Gary. Look at my shoes. You need some new shoes, said Mom. Oh boy, said Gary. The family goes to the shoe store. Gary looks at the blue shoes. Gary looks at the orange shoes. Gary looks at the green shoes. Which ones do you like? Said Dad. I like the orange shoes, said Gary. I can run fast, said Gary. I can jump high, said Gary. Gary gets the orange shoes. Gary runs and jumps all the way home. Gary runs and...
At the shoe store, what did Dad say? A. Why do you want new shoes? B. Those cost too much. Or C. Which ones do you like? Circle your answer.
C. Gary says he likes the blank. A. Slip-on shoes. B. Fuzzy shoes. C. Orange shoes.
Point to your answer. Correct. C. Orange shoes.
C. Orange shoes. What does Gary do all the way home? A. He sings and laughs. B. He kicks a ball. C. He runs and jumps.
Point to your answer. Correct. It's C again.
C. He runs and jumps.
Very good.